Good morning, students. I am Vetri Chervi from Vetri and Vetri Neet Chemistry. Before going to the video, if you are the new viewers to my channel, please subscribe Vetri and Vetri Neet Chemistry. So far, I have completed 90 videos. All of the short videos with the aims and neat questions, with a lot of tricks, will be much useful for you. Now, let us go to the today's topic is from the organic chemistry hydrocarbon is there. After completion of hydrocarbon, I will give some physical chemistry problems. Now the today's program is in the hydrocarbon previous year neat questions. Now let us see the question. Which of the following is not the product? You underline the word not the product of dehydration of this compound. Okay. Now let us see write the given compound first I am writing and what is the meaning of dehydration. Yes, what is the meaning of dehydration means removal of water. Now what is happening in the acid medium? First, this lone pair is attached with the hydrogen and there is a formation of bond, and here this bond is removed, or I can say OH is removed. On this carbon atom there is a formation of carbocation. This is on this there is a formation of carbocation, and a very important knowledge is nature of this cation is connected with a 1, 2, 3, so it is tertiary carbon. So now the intermediate is ready with the tertiary carbon. Since it is in the stable condition, order of stability of carbocation is tertiary is more stable than the secondary and primary. So this is the order. Because of that, this stable carbocation does not go, or there is no rearrangement. That is the important point. It does not take no rearrangement. As it is, it eliminates the hydrogen and it follows the beta elimination. What is the meaning of beta elimination? Mean it a hydrogen at a minus hydrogen from beta carbon. That is, next to the carbocation is you are removing hydrogen, mean it is called beta elimination. The first category, this hydrogen, now I am drawing this hydrogen removing and the bond is shifting. So now let us complete the diagram. Yes, now the diagram is ready. Here the formation of double bond. So this structure is possible formed there. You can see this structure, formation of the carbocation, this bond I left it. Okay, now this area you concentrate, this is forming. So like that one by one. So with that intermediate I am completing. Next, so this carbon removing. If you are removing this carbon having hydrogen, if you are removing means the bond will be shift. That means in between these two formation of bond. Or you having mean thus we are having. Next, you have to remove so I have completed this carbon, one more carbon, this is. Now let me follow it. I am giving separate diagram for just to avoid the overcrowd. Here this is the formed carbocation. This is carbocation. Now I have finished this carbon over. Of course, this from this carbon hydrogen over, and then here this one, this top one or this carbon also it is completed. Now we should complete only this carbon which is having hydrogen, remove it, and beta elimination. So beta means next carbon you are removing is called beta. So the bond is moving to this area. So in between the this carbon with the ring, the formation of bond. Now here it is the with this here formation of here. That this is, of course, this is over, of course. Now let me go to this thing I have to do it. Let us see this how we are going to do in this one. In this one, for that I will give one more diagram. Yes, this is, yes, this. We need only this structure. That means what? This hydrogen, here it is terminal hydrogen removing. So which is having 3 hydrogen. Hydrogen 1, hydrogen 2, hydrogen 3. Removing one bond is shifting and there is a formation of double bond. So now let us see here. So all the 3 are possible. This is not possible because this will be happening after arrangement. That rearrangement not take place. So this is not forming. So this is your answer. Okay children. So you need not do this much in the examination. Simply after intermediate is ready, There is no arrangement, so this is formed. With that, we can answer and come to the next question. This is for understanding only I gave this much. Okay, next go to the letters. A very simple question. In the following reaction, we are having the one what is called alkene with water, that is called addition of water across the double bond. First knowledge. Second knowledge, it follows the Marconic rule. Third knowledge, when you are adding Marconic rule, what is happening? Hydrogen is approach the richest. Now let me write the equation for this. Okay. Already I told this one, whenever it is, you go with the line diagram. Don't waste the time for individual. Okay. Now what we are doing is, here itself you put it, you give one hydrogen and formation of carbocation. So what is going on next is, whenever you are doing Marconic rule, regarding stability of carbocation, you think about any shift is possible. You think about the shift. Now, if you are moving this, now I am going to do the shift. If I am going to do this shift here, we will see what is happening. This carbon, the both methyl are there, and here CH, shift methyl is here we are putting. On this carbon atom, the positive charge is shifted, and what we are getting is CH. This is intermediate is formed. Now, in this intermediate, on this carbon atom, next nucleophile. What is the nucleophile is hydration. So what is it? H plus and OH minus. So this is attacked and you are getting the reaction is over. Now let us come and compare with your option. Okay, yesterday itself I told, if you want to compare me, just to have in one idea in your picture. Carbon with a 2 methyl group and here secondary alcoholic group. You keep it in the mind, or you can have carbon, this is with this OH, you keep it 2 carbon terminal with 2 methyl group. Let us see here, carbon terminal with 2, this is carbon terminal with 2 methyl group and OH, and this is your methyl shift is here. It is understood. So this is your answer. Like that you can approach. Okay. Then this is another way I can say how to eliminate mean at a glance. You go with your glance. This carbon is having 3 hydrogen and double bond. It indicates the valency of carbon is wrong, so it cannot be the product. Now coming to here, of course everything structure wise is okay, and here you can see this place you can see here, this is, that is also carbon valency is wrong. In the Neet question itself they are giving the wrong structure. So simply you can eliminate. Next you are having provided with these two. That also without doing how we can get it is, you see here the carbon terminal is having double bond. Marconic rule, that means in the carbon we are going to do this first step. That meaning what? The carbon is going to convert as a CH3. That it is understood. So now the choices between these two. Among the two, this terminal should be CH3 mean. So like that you can eliminate this also. Without doing you can select this answer. Okay, like that you can do it in a fast manner. So now this is the simply Marconic with a methyl shift. This is, there is elimination, there is no stable carbocation, so no shift at all. Okay, now let us go to the next question. Predict the correct intermediate and product in the following reaction. So you see the reactant, while you are having the reactant at a glance, another point I told is not only a reactant, the reagent. The reagent what is written is very, very important. What is it? Sulfuric acid with mercuric sulfate. What is indicate? This is the what is it called? Addition of water. There is water should be added. Very important. So now let me go. Same thing. Here what is the thing you are going to add is, this is the place what you are going to, H is going to add here. So now put it here. And what is going to add here is the water. Now let me write the reaction here. CH3, COH and double bond CH2. After watching this, you can see here tautomerism shift 1, 2, 3. That meaning the hydrogen is shifting there and the bonding of course moving here. Now the product is CH3, C double bond O, and C, this hydrogen is moving here. So this is your, what is the next one, product B. And this is your intermediate, the thing is A, of course. Now your product B is acetone. With that knowledge, go and approach here. Any mistakes we can eliminate. You see children, here double bond, so it is not correct. I want here acetone, means this is the acetone. So come and verify this. Since it is acetone, I am coming to the choice and verify the intermediate. In the intermediate, CH3, COH, and so this is option is correct. This option is correct. Okay, now we have eliminated. Let us see anything else can be eliminated. Mean next one, this one here. Of course, this one. In this place, you can see children, here the valency of carbon is wrong. So, without doing this is also we can eliminate. Now, your choices between this and this. In this and two, the first things are both are same. If it is having same, this type, both are same. So, next thing you see here, SO4. From here to here, there is no probability of SO4. So, without going to write the equation, you can select and eliminate. So, this is systematic approach. This is shortcut to trick. And let us coming to the last question is very, very simple. Which of the following reagents will be able to distinguish between 1 butane and 2 butane? Give the structure 1 butane. That's all. What is the 2 butane mean? You put this is your 2 butane. How we can differentiate? That is the question. Even you need not go and see the option. Now this we know it is called it as a acidic hydrogen. That is here hydrogen will be there. Is it acidic hydrogen? Now you go and find out. Both are having unsaturation. So anything related with this going to differentiate this. This is test. Now here bromine water, it is for saturation. It is answered by both. So it is not correct. Regarding where amide, this is the nature of this one is the basic. Okay, what about this is acidic? Because of that it is answering. So with this it is the answer. With this I can differentiate these two, of course. What about remaining two are not having specific? Both are answering. So this is answering by both. This is also answering by both. So our option is amide basic. B is the answer. Thank you children.